Hello, hope you are doing good. I'm Jason, and in this video we'll be going over 3 different ways how to make money blogging as a beginner. The first example I would like to show you is this website right here. The beauty about this website is they're not selling anything. The way how they're making money is by ad placement. And as you can see right here, here is an ad. And to get ads on your website, depending on the ad network that you want to sign up with, some of them have a requirement of how much traffic you get per month, while others don't. And with ad placements, you tend to get paid per 1,000 views, and some of the time cost per action. So for example, if a person were to tap on an ad and go onto the web page of the person that placed the ad right there, you would get a higher amount of money. And with a website like this, you'll need a good amount of traffic to make serious money per month. But it's very convenient if you are writing about something that you like or a topic that you are really interested in. The second way how you can start making money with blogging without selling anything again and as a complete beginner is by becoming an affiliate. With this website, they are an Amazon affiliate, as you can see right here. So if I were to tap on this link, it would direct me to Amazon, and from here, if I were to do a purchase within the next 30 days, the creator of this website will be getting a commission. The advantage that this website has over the previous one is, with this website you need less traffic to make more money. Because with a website like this that you are mainly targeting affiliate things, your traffic is completely buyer based. Better yet, as you can see, the person that would visit a website that says best projectors under $500 is a person that is interested in purchasing a projector, if not exactly now, is in the near future. And the beauty about Amazon is, once you tap on their affiliate link, that cookie will be placed on your device for the next 30 days. So even if the person does not purchase something today after visiting your website, and instead they purchase something the next 2 weeks or so on, you will still get a commission. So with this website over the other one, you need less traffic to make even more money. Because if I were to go onto Amazon and purchase this projector, they would be getting $16. Meanwhile, with this website, they probably need 1,000 views before they earn $16. Another example is an hybrid. This one. With this website, not only does the person have ad placement, but they also sign up to numerous affiliate programs, and they are talking about stuff that they are passionate about, and they are making a good amount of money. Because if I were to go onto SimilarWeb, which is a website that shows the estimated traffic a website is getting, you can see that the creator of that website is getting over 350,000 visitors per month, which is a whole lot. So by creating a hybrid blog, you'll be able to not only sell ad placement, but you can also sign up with affiliate programs and make ad commission also. So I would recommend that you create a hybrid blog, if anything. I hope you found this video encouraging and motivating, and that you start blogging, and that it helps you, or at least gives you an idea of how you can monetize your website traffic.